me what you know about it.
Welcome back, guys. So today is a big day. Today I am going to be getting the new wheels on the GTR, so pretty excited. And so we're going to be heading over to Discount Tire to go and get those put on. So right now we're heading over to Discount Tire to get my new rims and wheels, and so what I chose was 20-inch Ferrata wheels with a staggered setup. So the wheels in the rear are going to be 11 inches wide, and in the front they're going to be 10 inches wide. And so they're going to be pretty big wheels, and then I decided to wrap them in NTO5s. So I just really love the look of the NTO5s, as well as like the tire ratings and everything as well, because they have a really high speed rating, they have a really good temperature rating. So overall, just a really good tire for just your normal driving around. They do have a little bit of a lower tread wear. It is about 200, but with as much as I drive this around, they should last me pretty long. And so also stay tuned for another video that I'm going to be coming out with. It's going to be one around how to choose the right tires for your car, whether you track your car, whether you daily drive your car, and what all the numbers and stuff on the sidewalls mean. And then I'm going to also go over how to choose rims as well. So how choosing the offset, how choosing the width, how choosing all of that goes as well. So definitely stay tuned. But now we're on our way to get my brand new wheels. So
wheels and tires and everything, you know?
yeah,
it's pretty cool.
Oh, these things, I gotta tell her, gorgeous. Oh, look at those. I can't wait to get these things on. Yeah, that would be awesome. Oh, those are gorgeous.
Weeks later.
After 2 weeks, we figured out the issue where my hub bolts were too long. So huge shout out to Discount Tire. They reached out to Ferrata wheels for me and ended up getting me the longer hubcaps that I ended up needing for my wheels. And so I'll show you what I was talking about those hub bolts being way too long. So this is the front one. And then we'll go over to the next one. And so we're gonna go ahead and get those installed. So I went ahead and got the center caps installed on the rear wheel on the GTR with where we're having issues. They are kind of bulky, so kind of not my favorite thing. Compared to the front, they're very flush. So I'm gonna be ordering some 10mm spacers to push out that wheel so that I can change out the center caps, so that doesn't look so bulky, because I'm really not a fan again. But go ahead and hit the like and subscribe button. Well, for my next video, once I get those 10mm spacers, I'll be doing an install video on that as well. So stay tuned.